Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply enable dark mode in Google Gemini AI app on PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your AI Gemini app. Then on getting to your Gemini app, next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, come to settings from the bottom right here. Then from this setting icon, simply click on setting and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to click on dark theme. So make sure you turn on this toggle button. Once you turn it on, then your Gemini app will become automatically dark. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply enable dark mode in Google Gemini AI app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.